Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome back to AWS DevOps Lokesh. You can call this LKCloudTech. Yeah, if you type AWS DevOps also, my channel will display. Don't worry. So you can call this LKCloudTech. So today we are going to discuss about a Tricentis Tosca TCP. Okay, as already we have discussed, we've been discussing about you know Tosca since almost a week. We have done almost six sessions. Okay, so today we are going to discuss a very important topic which is related to Tricentis Tosca, right? So I don't want to waste more time of yours and mine. So let's get into topic. What is TCP? TCP means test configuration parameter. Okay, next slide. Here, so this is I have prepared for you guys. What is test configuration parameter? Test configuration parameter can be used to pass a specific values to various test cases. Guys, Tosca is dead easy, but just need to keep their terminologies in your mind and you need to understand the functionality. How is Tosca testing is working? How automation we have to do? So where which domain I can say there are a lot of topics are there. Which topic we have to use for what case we have to use all this kind of these terminologies are little. We have a lot of different terminologies in this. These terminologies you need to understand. Okay, let's deep dive into this TCP. Okay, test configuration parameters. First, we need to create execution list. You can see here, and we need to create TCP. In this TCP, we will give our values. You can say variables. Variable in the sense, what is the meaning of variable? Variable in the sense, we can store our values in the variable. Example, username equal to admin123 for suppose. Username is a variable. Admin123 is a key value, you can say value, right? So test cases, so this is a syntax, very simple syntax I guess. In this syntax you can see here, right here, this is actually wrong syntax because CP username you must complete with the square bracket. This is wrong. I did not notice it. Okay, that's fine. So this should be completely closed with a square bracket and that. Okay. So we used to keep test cases. We used to write the, we used to call, we can say that we used to call test cases like this. All right. Next, execution result. After that, execution result, it will be displayed. All right. That's good. Okay. Let's try to understand what is exactly concept of Tosca. Okay, which means TCS, TCP, sorry. So let's try to understand. Okay, so here test configuration parameters are nothing but variables which can pass to different test cases. Okay, so here just nothing is there. Just simply what we have to do is in the test case we will create the execution list. In that you can say I don't want to make this more complicated, so whatever reusable parameters, okay, reusable ante this means multiple times whatever you use, maybe passwords, maybe something, uh, you whatever you use reuse multiple times, those you can consider this. Okay, TCP. Okay, yeah, if the variable, or if any variables like usernames and passwords, usually we used to declare or store those values in the test cases, but these values are reusable. So if any value you want to use multiple times, okay, we can keep that one place. it that place is called as, you can consider, TCP. We are storing the values one particular place, and we will call them whenever you want, like that. Okay, all right, so let's do one thing. TCP, right? Let's create a one folder for this. Create a folder, TCP. Okay, that's good. And so let's see here also. I'm just I just need to do one thing. Instead of doing waste of your time and my time, let's do one thing. I have already some test cases in the login test. So let me recall this. Okay, which means I'm just to simply copy this, and I will use all those here. Okay, paste. You can use this also. Whatever you want to do the changes, that you can do it here. Login test case using TCP. I will rename this. Okay, using TCP. I can keep like this. Whatever you want, you can keep your name, your own name. Okay, that's good. And see, open URL. There are credentials all are there, right? See here, your email ID and your passwords are there. Okay, these passwords, email ID, whenever you want to log in all the time, you are going to log out, log in, log out, log in all the time. If you want to multiples, if you want to type it. So if you want to recall this, you can keep these values in the test cases, which means TCP, test configuration place. That is a one place. Okay, example, one sec. Example, for suppose, instead of keeping your things, you will keep particular place at your house, right? So whatever your, which should be available. Okay, for example, any of your things which always consistently or frequently you are using, for example your laptop, you will keep your laptop particular place that is easy to use it. Okay, so you will not keep and you will not throw it away, right? So you will not throw it somewhere where today is one place, tomorrow is one place, day before day, yesterday one place, after next day one place, like not like that. You will keep one particular place your laptop wherever you want. You that should be easy to mechanism, easy to use it. So it should be safe and it should be easy to use. So that's how you'll keep your laptop in your house, right? So whenever you want, you go there and easily you can take it and you can use it. So reusable thing, this is same kind of the emails, passwords, whatever, it doesn't matter. This is not about credentials, anything else. If you want to, if you know that you are going to reuse it, you can keep those, or you can keep values, you can say variables. Okay, that in TCP, that is a major reason, that is a major use case of this TCP, nothing else. Okay, don't try to confuse, and don't go and search here and there. Don't try to make yourself more confused. That is the purpose only of this. Okay, all right, let's create a folder. Already done, right? Okay, yeah, that's good. We already copied some of this. Okay, yeah. So now you see these test cases here. There are open URL, I guess. Let me open URL. Tbox wait. Tbox wait login details. Which means click. Okay, click on login link. I can make it proper name. Click on login link. Okay, next one is uh, credentials. Enter the credentials. Okay, enter the credentials, and okay, let me do one thing. I'll also keep here logout. Okay, I'll also keep logout. So let me go and it's instead of that, let me Yeah, try to run this automatically. It will take you through. Let me try to run this. Let's see. Okay, before that, you just need to keep it that open. Okay, it's open. Set as a default browser. Otherwise, it will confuse. Okay, you have to set this as a default browser. Okay, otherwise Tosca will confuse that, and it will fail. It will fails your test case. So that's why. Okay. So yeah, this open link. Click on the link is got failed. Okay, let me try to make this proper. Okay, this is also fine, 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 fine. This is also fine. That's fine. Let me try to run this again. Okay, it is opened successfully. On there is a T box that whatever the time you mentioned in the T box wait, that should be wait. Okay, that is static time and it is fixed time. If you keep 10 seconds, it will wait for 10 seconds. Okay, our test case got failed. Let us cross check why it got failed. Okay, what is this? No matching tab. No matching tab was found following the properties demo webshop. Okay, that's good. No problem. All right, let me go to default properties, default tabs. Excuse me. So I will make this as a default. Yes, set as default. So now Firefox is current default. Okay. Again, so URL. This is a URL. That's fine. Weight is okay. Link is okay. And credentials are okay. Okay, that's fine. So again, I'll try to run this. Run scratch book. Keep in your mind. Yeah, it's open automatically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds. It will wait. After this, it will click. Just clicking it. So automatically it is typing within seconds. So it's open. Yeah, that's it. Okay. All right. That's great job. Okay, you can see the test cases right away, and I'll show you here the test cases. Yes, you see the results all got passed. Okay, test cases pass. Okay, that's fine. Let me close this. I'll do one thing. I will rescan it. Okay, I'll try to rescan it. Okay, okay, I'll keep here logout link. Yeah, that's it. Just want to scan. Just simply scan this application. Guys, I'm just giving, without asking, without anything expecting you guys subscribes. I'm talking about only my subscribers and others also. So I'm not expecting any single MP for you guys. Still, I'm always try to sharing my complete knowledge whatever I had. Okay, so whatever I had, complete knowledge I'm sharing in and keeping in the community. Okay, into the public. Maybe some guys might not afford for the money. Maybe they might struggle. We have to provide some kind of platform. Okay, so maybe such kind of people also will be there. By using my videos, maybe they will upskill themselves. Maybe they will get chance to uh, learning themselves. Okay, so I thought that like way I'm always giving free of complete free knowledge. This just to scan the logout. That's it. It is completely unique. Selected item is unique. That's fine. We don't need to do anything. Simply finish it and close this. That's it. Okay. Whatever knowledge I had, guys, I'm just trying to contribute this complete contribution to entire community. So all in DevOps, all in Tosca testing, everywhere. Okay, try to utilize, guys, and just I'm just simply asking that just try to share my channel. Maybe someone will be beneficial. I've been asking this since almost 1.5 years. Okay, so I am not getting any single MP from YouTube, but still I'm just contributing myself, my time for many people. I just expected at least somebody, at least some persons, anybody, at least one guy should be benefitable. Then that would be realistic happiest point. Okay, for me, happiest moment for me. Okay, so if sincerely who tried for learning sincerely, definitely they will get success. Okay, let me rename it this. Okay, I think you should rename here itself. Login, right? Logout, right? Mm-hmm. Logout link. Okay, I'll do this. I'll remove this. Dead easy, guys. This Tosca. Just try to do practice. Definitely you'll get it. So here in logout, what you need to do, whatever your page, okay, just simply logout. The page is here, right? Logout page. The which application you want to log out means the title of this application. The title of application is demo web shop. The same name you need to replicate here. Demo. See the cases, web and shop. That's it. Simple. That's it. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is not logout. I think. Okay, there is a click, right? Okay, let me close. This is not close the browser. I'm extremely sorry, guys. This that whatever I have used the title that is for close the browser. Just little changed because I was thinking something different. Anyways, this is the logout link is there. Automatically, the control button is there here. So that's why just enough click here. One click in is enough. Right? That's it. Save. All right. All right. All right. That's enough. So and close the browser. Next now we'll talk about to close the browser. I don't have, I think we have a standard modules. Let me cross check. We need to cross check with the standard modules first. After that you need to go outside and scan. Okay. So you see here HTML related. HTML in the sense hypertext markup language. This is related to applications. Okay. Close the browser. It's simple. Just simply drag and drop here. That's it. And here close the browser. Yeah, now you need to close the browser. Which browser you need to close? The simply web demo web shop. Simple. Okay. Demo web shop. That's it. Simple. Close the browser. That's it. So these test cases are ready with me. Okay. So earlier we have given values in individually, something like this, right? So here in the credentials itself, here itself I have added all the details. For example, in my project, I do need to keep all these kind of, I do need to give the values 500 times, 1000 times for suppose, do 500 times I need to use, I need to recall this, 500 times I need to type this, 500 times I need to use, I need to scan all these things. Once if you scan, you can reuse this by using TCP. I'll show you how to do it. First of all, we need to create a test case. I mean test case in the sense test configuration parameter. Okay, we need to create that. Okay, so first one second. This is related to Tosca, right? I just want to do change. Instead of keeping name here, main title, frame for logo. One sec. You can keep LKCloudTech instead. Okay, that's fine. All right, that's it. I'm just doing extra activity in meanwhile. Sorry, excuse me. So next, we need to create a test configuration parameter. Okay, if you want to create a test configuration parameter for this test case, you just need to see here the purple square box. Okay, this if you just keep here your cursor, you can see create test configuration parameter. Okay, control n control plus something kind of, right? So this you just need to click here, just automatically it is getting created in the test configuration section. Details we have discussed earlier, I've shown you details. For example, I don't want to write anything, just you just come here, credentials. In the credentials, the details which is showing in the details page. Okay, if you go here, for example, just click here. On top of this, if you go here, test configuration, whatever test configuration which we have created, that will show here. So we need to add all the details here. How? Let's see. Okay, so first initially, I'm talking about this. I will use this email, password, and all multiple times. For suppose reusable, these are all reusable test case. So what I have to do? So what I will do is in here test configuration. I need to add those details here. I'm talking about username, user and name, name, username. What is username? What is your username? Just need to cross check this username. You need to come here, just take this username. Okay, and paste in this test case. This is your username, your email is your username. Paste here. Next, again you need to add. Okay, so just simply right click and click here. That's good. You got password, you got test case, test configuration parameter. So you just need to type here password. That's it. So you need to keep here your password. Okay, related to that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 mine is. Okay, you created two test case. Two TCPs. Okay, that's why I don't want to call this a very big name. I can call this as a TCP. Okay, we have created TCP and we have kept here. This you can consider this as a variable and this is a value. So we can consider variable also. Not a big deal. All right. All right. Next, for suppose I want to create again, just right click here, simply right click here and try to create here something I have created to show something for you guys. See this? I have created extra. I just want to remove this TCP. How? Just simply right click on here. Simply right click here. Just here. You see this? Reset to default value. That's it. It will go. Simple. Okay. If it is required, you can change the type of password also, right? So here it is string. If you want to make this password, you can make this password. You will see, you can't see entire this password kind of, you can't see this value. Okay, simply it will show star star. That's it. Okay, that's it. Now I have added this. Now you can ask me the question. Okay, that's fine. We have added values. What we have to do here? Yes, there is a syntax. I said already there is a syntax for here for TCP. So we need to call here. For example, how I call, I need to call. Okay, you need to open Flower Bucket and CP means configuration parameter. Okay, nothing else. You don't need to by head also. Configuration parameter, you are calling username. Shift U username. Just whatever username you have used. You see this? In test case, whatever the name you have used, the same name I just called. I'm just calling this username there. Okay. Again, password. So you need to do the same. Okay. All right. See, password. I need to call the password from here. PASS pass WORD. The case sensitive must be like this, guys. P should be capital and remaining all small. All right, login. That's it. Okay, and that's it. Next, So we are calling the configuration parameter with the respected name here. Okay. So let's try to run the test case now. I did not keep anything here. I'm calling TCP from there. So I'm calling here TCP. Okay, TCP values. Let me try to run the test run in Scratchbook. Let's see. Yeah, it is opened. I need to close this. Unnecessarily, we should not keep extra to confuse Tosca. Yeah, it will wait for 10 seconds because I mentioned tbox wait period is 10 seconds. Alright, it's open and it should log out also because we have added. Yeah, log out and close the browser also. That's awesome. It's gone. Okay, let's see the test result. You see this? Open your tbox wait, click on. Earlier we have done different way without using TCP. Just now we have used TCP values. So we have called the values from TCP, test configuration parameters. From test configuration parameter we have called the values, right? So that's how. So we can keep number of values here. So whenever you want to, you can just simply call. You just need to call that name. Okay, parameter name here. That's it. Okay, that's how we can keep n number of. We are keeping here. This is our shelf. In shelf we are keeping our things. Whenever you want, you just simply call it. That's it. Okay, that is the purpose of TCP. Okay, I'm trying to reiterate myself and also will letting you know the main use of TCP test configuration parameters in Tosca is to make test cases easy to maintain and flexible. Okay, instead of hard coding values like usernames, passwords, emails, or other inputs directly in the test case, we define them once in a TCP. If any values changes, for suppose think I need to change the value. Okay, you need to come individual. For suppose you just consider this, there are 500 test cases here. If I want to change everywhere, you need to come and you need to change in manually one by one. How much time it takes? Automation is for saving your time, your client time, your project time. Not like this, right? So that time you could not able to find sometimes, right? You doesn't know where the credentials. Here you mentioned credentials somewhere. You may missed it. Okay, you may know also. You need to check one by one, right? But if you have a TCP, every value will be and here it's a kind of list. Here every list is you can drag and you can scroll and scroll up, scroll down, scroll up, you scroll down. You can see everything here. So from here you can call there, right? So simply you just connecting here using syntax. You are connecting there to TCP. So TCP value store here. Okay. So and Tosca automatically replicate the change across the all the cases that reference it by referencing it. Okay, this ensures earlier maintenance, reusability and faster test execution. Okay, that's all. That's all about TCP. No, don't worry. You don't need to go any other videos. Don't worry about it. Okay. So some people will explain more than hours for about this TCP. Nothing else. Okay. This is all about TCP. That's it. Okay. So that's it. This is about a small information about TCP. Okay. But let me come here. Okay. See how where do we use TCP? You want to parameterize test cases instead of hard coding values. Example login test. You need to reuse values across the test steps or test cases. Okay. You want to make test cases more flexible and maintenance. If the value changes, you update TCP in the place only. No need to go where you kept where you all the test cases. No need to check each and every test case and each and every test case to check for values. Okay, no need to go there. Just simply go test case. You can find there itself. Everything is in one shelf, right? Okay. You one bucket you can call. Yes, everything you can keep in one bucket. So you want to pass values from outside Tosca. like execution, like CACD pipelines. That time it will be useful. Okay. And why do we use TCP? Okay, avoid hard coding values, reusable purpose, make test easier to maintain, help in data driven testing, allows integration with the execution list like CACD, like Jenkins, Azure DevOps. Such a wonderful point this is. Okay, this time. Okay, allows integration time using execution list with CACD Jenkins and Azure DevOps. At that moment, it will be very useful. We can call them from TCP. Okay, integration time we can call the values from the TCP. Not everywhere every test case in its single parameters. Okay, that's how. Okay, how to use test case? We have already done. We have seen that, right? We have done how to create it, how to call the syntax. Okay, how to write the syntax. This is how. Okay, and we have already ran that and executed. Next, yeah, we have seen this also. Okay, what is in short? TCP parameters in Tosca used for passing the values dynamically into the test. Why? Make test cases reusable, flexibility, easy to maintain. How? TCP execution list like this. We have seen all this again repeating. Yeah, this is important point. This is important point. Let me keep a little bigger or more. Awesome. Right? Let me save this. Alright. TCP levels in Tosca. Okay. We have levels in Tosca where we need to use the TCP, how we need to use the TCP, in which level you need to use the TCP, project level, execution list level. Okay, we have seen that till now we have used execution list to only. Okay, test case level also we can use, test step level also. Okay, project level also. See, let's see. Alright, if you run the test case in test case level, so it will execute with the test case TCP value. So TCP will always have its own priority. Example, for suppose I have given TCP here in this level. Okay, so yeah, so if I run this, here it is only, it will call the TCP and TCP values it will take. And by taking reference of this TCP values only, there it will execute in the application. Okay. Okay, this is one more good point. And next, so if you run the test case in the project level, for suppose this is my project. Okay, for suppose this is my project level. So then, if you run it is in project level, so it will execute project TCP values. Okay, if you run text project level, it will give the priority. Okay, how? For example, I'll tell you one more thing. Let me take parent and child case, for suppose. Parents and child hierarchy. I'll take simple one. That's it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can consider this. This is a root level. Root in the sense your ancestors. Okay. Now you can consider this is a parent. Okay. And this is you, your sister, your brother. Okay. This, for example, if you execute this level for you, for example, this is you. So your level, if you give the permissions, you only, it will only applicable to you, not your sister, not your brother. Okay. So for example, if something which is related, for example, there are some assets on top of your parents name, okay, that will applicable to you, your brother and your sister, correct? Okay, for suppose something which is there under your name, okay, some asset is under your name, some asset is under your sister, some asset is under your brother, for suppose that asset which is already assigned to you, one asset already assigned to your sister, other asset which is already assigned to your brother, that is individual contribution, so that will be related to you, that is belongs to you, your sister and your brother, clear? But something which is common to your parents, there is actually one asset on top of your parents name, so that parent whatever it is containing, it is having, okay, that asset will be distributed into your three, right? In this also, in TCP level also, if you give the permission, that permission will be applicable to you, okay? When, if you don't have, if you, for example, if you don't have any value, okay, that will be applicable, okay, but when it is applicable, you got complete disable access, for suppose your asset gone, completely gone, or your credentials, you are not having any credentials, if you lose the credentials, your parents credentials will come and applicable to you. So Tosca will think that, okay, this execution level currently some X execution level does not have any credentials. So how should I log in? Which credentials I need to take? Now you ran the test case, maybe you ran some project level. So which credentials I need to take? I need to take the parents' credentials, right? Okay, 100%, because if you don't have anything, definitely your parents need to take care, okay, that level. For example, your parents are already having test case right now, but this level only it's going on. For example, your parent does not have any kind of example passwords and these things, if you don't have any passwords and all, so next it will consider this root password, okay, root related TCP values. First, if you have everything, if you have passwords and all, it will consider your own priority, okay. If you don't have value, parents value you will consider. If parents have already values, and if you run the project level execution values only it will take, okay. For suppose project does not have any credentials or deleted something, so then project always look for the parents TCP values. That's all. If not, you could not understand this again, just comment here, so I will explain individually, okay. That's all. That is a matter about this, okay. All right, next. I hope you understood. Please, if you can understand, please comment here. Please comment here if you don't understand anything, okay. Next, we'll see next what we have to do, okay. um okay, so we'll see that. Let's do one thing. I will create a test case in project level, okay. uh, yes, I could not see, guys, can you see here? I could not see the TCP value here, TCP icon here. I could not see TCP icon here. Could you please comment where it is this? Guys, since TCP value is not here, so in this case, you just click on three, what I can say, you can say splice. Okay, eclipse, I guess. There's three dots called as eclipse. Okay. Fine. So yeah. So now create a test case. I mean, sorry, TCP. Just create a TCP in project level. Okay. I think this is root level. This is root actually. Root level I am doing actually. Right? Okay, fine. Alright. So now I'm creating under root only because I don't have any project in it. That's why I'm just showing on project level. So let me create here username. There is no space. Okay, create TCP again. Password. yes, password. Okay, you have created password and all, right? So I will give some better what I can give. I think through which I can give LKCloudTech 21 at gmail.com. I think this. I think I kept 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I will try to run maybe these test cases if there is anything wrong, and it will again stop our it will stop definitely. But here this TCP value should be disabled here. Okay, TCP's values are here. Okay, all right. So when it will consider root variable values, if the project level does not, I mean root level does not have, project level does not have any credentials, then it will go to root level. So something like this. First it will take it this priority. Okay, so if there is on top of this test case, if there is any project level, that will go project level. If not, that will go to root level. That's how. Clear? So like grandparent, parent and children, something kind of. Root is you can consider grandparent, folder you can consider as a parent, and yeah, let's do one thing. I'll keep here I think I will create a test case here. Okay, here test case level you have values. Folder you can keep some values. Folder I'll keep parameter uh, uh, I'll keep here username, folder or project username. I'll keep like this, project username. I'm just trying it. Okay, project username, and I'm just trying, just doing experiments. Okay, project username and project password. I'll keep like this. Not sure, just okay, experiment only. Okay, password. Okay, this is LKCloudTech 1, right? I'll keep here project username is LKCloudTech 2. Password also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so I'm just removing this TCP, whatever project related TCP values. I'm just removing it. Project level TCP is LKCloudTech, this one. Okay, I want to make this. I'm just removing it simply. Okay, now try to run here in project level. Okay, I'm also removing this password, normal password, which is related to test case level. Let me try to run this. Let's see. It is open. Let's see. It's, oh, it is in logged out position. So we need to close this logout position. Now let's see. Login. It is typing. Oh, I think it's missed this. Okay, one second. Let me cross check here. Username and project. All right. Yeah, it is confused here. Okay, let me keep. It is confused here. Let me keep here. Let's make it proper. Username values we need to keep remove. Okay, let's remove this. Yeah, that's fine. Now it's only you have project level details. So here also password also I'll remove this. Okay. So TCP in project level you kept. Okay, now let's try. Let's try now. I'll close this. I'll keep like this and try to run this. Run the scratchbook. Let's see. It will work with project related credentials. LKCloudTech 2. Login after 10 seconds. Yeah, login with credentials. Oh yeah, that's awesome. I understood. It is not working. It is not working with this name. Okay. All right. So project password, project username, we should not remove this because the fields, what are the fields are there? This field names has considering it. Awesome. Great job. Okay. So let me remove this. Yeah, fantastic. We identified something that the thing always it will set email password. Okay, password, the fields which is there. Okay, this is not taking care. So need to remove. Just need to remove this. Okay, so now let's try to give LK CloudTech 2. LK CloudTech 2 at gmail.com. This is different. Okay, actually, ours this is test case level. Test case level password. I did not mention anything, but root level. You see, I mean, project level, I see I have given LK CloudTech 2. In test case level earlier, I just given only LK CloudTech 1. So let's try to give password and username. Let's try to run this. Actually, I did not save. It's okay. Yeah, it is open new. Tosca is really very interesting. Oh my goodness. Again, I think we have given in test case level. I think root level. It is checking with the root level first. Let's see, let's see, let's see. One second. Logout link. It is logout link closed. Hmm, interesting. This is test case level. This is yeah, okay. Yeah, earlier I did not. I think we have changed it, but we did not call them. Oh my goodness. That is also not mistake again. Let's try with that. Yeah, so right. So this is actually we have done like this. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. Actually, we did not call project password. Whatever the name project password is there, we did not call them there. Okay, project password. Let's try to call here. Project username. I'm just trying. That's it. Just experiment this. I'm just doing some experiments. Okay, let's try in this way. Okay, project password, project username I can given, save this and try to run this again. Let's see this time. Open. If you do multiple times, you can understand multiple ways. You will get to know multiple ways. Yeah, that's awesome, man. You see this? LKCloudTech 2. Okay, that's awesome. Browser also closed. Your test case got successfully passed. See, awesome. So whatever name which you have declared in TCP, this is parent level. Okay, I mean, you can consider this as a project level. Project level, you have declared here the variable name is project password. The variable, another variable is project username. That username we have called here. So now it got successfully called. Awesome, fantastic job. Okay, now we called it successfully, we have done. And that's awesome. So TCP, earlier we have used this level, which means this is actually test case level. Okay, so if you don't mention test case level with this project level used, project level means LKCloudTech2 at gmail.com, test case level means LKCloudTech1 at gmail.com. Clear? But currently your test case level I did not use any password. So what happened, so whenever you remove this test case level username, then it is considered project level. Project level means this one. Okay, that's how actually the tree is there. Your first priority is yours. If it is crossed, so if you don't have anything, you'll, for example, in your parents also you don't have anything, for suppose you don't have a job and all these things. Whenever you have a job, you will take care of yourself, right? I'm sure about it. Okay, so whenever you have a job and money, you will take care of yourself, and also you can help for your family. But if you don't have a job, definitely your parents will help you. They are actually everything for you. So if you don't have a job, you don't have money, your parents will not sit like that. Okay, they will help you. They are everything. Okay, your parents will like that. Same way, same kind of concept is applying here in this Tosca. If you don't have a credentials here, in this test case level, you don't have a credentials. In TCP level credentials, this is project level credentials it is considering. Okay, next, for suppose your grandfather parent is there. For suppose your parent is not, for suppose in any case some people does not have parents, some people, I don't know, that's too bad. But parents they don't have parents. Then if they don't have parents, their grandparents, okay, grandmother, grandfather, so they will take care, right? Something like that called as root also have some kind of privileges, not privileges, you can say authorities, you can say. So if you don't have any credentials in project level, so root will take care. Okay, for suppose if this TCP, for suppose this project level you don't have credentials, then Tosca will check root level. I will come to the very much clear picture. First, it will check the test case level credentials. Okay, for suppose you did not mention anything in test case level credentials, then Tosca will go to the project level credentials. They will check with the project level credentials. For suppose you did not mention project level credentials also, then TCP will go to the root level. Okay, this is the hierarchy. Okay, then Tosca will think that okay, this test case level, project level, we don't have anything, so then we need to consider root level credentials. Whatever root level credentials we had, that credentials Tosca will consider. That's it. This is how the hierarchy. Okay, that is how, that is how. So that TCP will work. Project level we have seen, so you need to understand by using this. Okay, so this is global level. Okay, global level in the sense it is root level, highest level, which is this global level. In this is global level, highest. This is highest privileges. Okay, so and lowest level in the sense this TCP is project level, and test case level is lower level, you can consider. Okay, project level in the sense your level. Okay, your project whatever it is having, this is project level. Root folder level you can consider. You can consider in general language, you can consider this folder as a project level. Okay, execution level. Okay, TCP created under the specific execution list, which means this one, this level. Okay, we have created execution level TCP, we have created project level TCP, also we have created root level TCP. Root level in the sense global level. TCP which is a folder level means this is a project level. TCP which is execution level means this is execution level. All right, execution level in the sense this is low level. Okay, That's it. This is all about different types of levels in Tosca. This kind of in on top of this you will get a question. Okay, you will get an interview question under this from this concept. Okay, this is multi-level. Okay, so flexibility, environment, avoid, override for all these purpose. Okay, so this is all about TCP. Okay, let's see what are the concepts we do. We can able to cover more than this. Okay. At the test case level, I have provided different username and password, and the project level, I have configured TCP with other username and password, and root level also I have mentioned different usernames and passwords. Okay, you just have noticed, I think. So I hope I've covered main concepts, and you can consider some. You will get a lot of interview questions from here. They will try to confuse you. Okay, TCP will take your own priority. First it will check individual, after that it will check with project level, after that it will check root level. Okay, Tosca test case level values override project level when the same parameter exists in both. Okay, so in your scenario, Tosca will use the username password from test case level during the execution. If test case level values are empty, then Tosca will take them from the project level TCP. We ran the test case, so it consider the own values. It means test case TCP values considered, and it was executed. Okay, all right. That's awesome, right? It is really very interesting. It's easy, dead easy. Tosca automation is dead easy. Don't worry, guys. Okay, just to follow my channel, try to watch videos, try to do practice. You will get it. If you need personal attention, personal help, also just call me directly, or you can ping me directly. Whatever your problem you got, so I will help you. Definitely, I can connect with you and I can help you. Simply, you just do one thing. Whenever you're watching this video, simply hit like button. I did not ask earlier this much, but that's the reason my channel isn't too backward. You can consider, so I did not focus on my channel so far. So I'm requesting, I just want to do it for take it forward too. So I request you guys, please try to like and share my subscribe and channel, so then it will helps. Okay, okay, a root level login means if no values test cases in project level, it will login through root level. Okay, TCP concept, I'm just reiterating and overviewing. TCP concept is its take own priority unless the values are not there itself. Okay, in the TCP concept, the values defined in TCP, okay, have its own priority unless those values are missing, in which case Tosca will consider next available level. Reusability also, we can use the test cases for a reusable purpose while changing it will easy to maintenance. Okay, it is we can able to change the values from TCP, and if you give in project level, it will be applicable to entire test case, all. If it has 100 numbers of user test cases, in future you want to change the difficult in individual, if you want to go individual test cases, then it will take a time. So that's the reason we will declare in the TCP level. Okay, TCP test case parameters in detail. Test configuration, we will create test configuration, we can declare all the values here. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. I hope you can clearly understood this concept. Okay. I hope you can understand all TCP related information. If you have any kind of doubt, please ping here in WhatsApp, or better you can ping in the comment, because I requesting you guys, please, this videos it should reach. That's the reason I'm requesting you to comment here. Any kind of doubt, anything here we can discuss in the comment section. If you want personal, if you want to talk to me, or you need to connect and you need to do practice with me, just simply ping me. Okay, so we can connect. First you try to give the preference here and try to chat here in comment section. Then we will, if still, if you have, if I feel to connect definitely through online, so definitely we can connect through different Google platforms, something like that. So then definitely we will discuss more subject and we can share our knowledge, both of us. Okay, we can share knowledge and we can contribute our time and knowledge to the community. That's it. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining, and thanks for attending. Thanks for watching my automation testing Tricentis Tosca videos. Take care. Next topic we are going to discuss about, maybe, I think verification related, I guess. I think there are a lot of topics actually. Verify action modes are there. Let us try to cover verify action mode. After that, verify action mode. After that, we can see that is different concepts. We have synchronization, timeout. I mean, wait on, and T-box time, something kind of. Okay, a lot of things are there. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Bye.